In this new exercise, we will create a model with the help of SolidWorks surface tool. Now see the thickness of this model 2 millimeter. Okay. Now we will start with this conical or tapered body 175 plus 75 is 150 millimeter long, and the one side diameter radius 100, this side radius this side radius 50 millimeter, and the gap between 150. Then there is one, we will make a one conical shape like this, 50 diameter and 150 millimeter away from this end, and the tapered angle here see 10 degree all three. If you see the upper one also same 150 millimeter 50 radius, and it is going to merge up to this face. This is the section view. So let's create this face. Now we will start with right plane sketch. Now right click, tabs, and here activate surfaces. Okay. Now let me activate circle tool. The outer radius 100 means diameter 200. Activate line tool. Activate trim entity, power trim, and just trim this one. Say OK. Now the center line construction geometry, because we need this half circle. Exit. Now let's make a plane. Plane. First reference plane, right plane. The distance, here put the distance 150 millimeter. See here one number of instances or create one number of plate. Say yes. Click plane and sketch. Again here we have to create the same, activate circle tool. 100 radius, 50 radius means 100 diameter. Again activate line tool, and we want to make half, similar like previous. Activate trim entity, power trim, just move, press left mouse and drag, and see it is trimmed. Say yes. Center line click, construction geometry, isometric view, exit. Let me hide this. Click and hide. See. Now activate lofted boss base tool. Now in this first we have to choose profile. So let's say I am going to choose this side and this side. See, this is simple profile. You don't need to mention any guide or any constraint. Say yes. Look. Now let's front plane, activate plane 100 millimeter. Say yes. Sketch circle. Now at 75 means 50 diameter. If you see the center distance from this end 75 by default. Okay. Now here select extruded surface. Keep reverse direction. We want to choose blind condition, and we want to merge up to this body. So what we will do, we will, because this is half and this is full, so we will go beyond this body. Later we will trim this half portion, but here degree shown 10 degree, but this is outward. Look. Say yes. Look. Let me hide. Now let's mirror this, even though we can choose circular pattern, but let's mirror first. What plane? Front plane, and here you have to choose body. Say OK. Now here we have three body, 1, 2, 3. Now let's trim this inside. First let's trim half. Let's define this color. Say OK. Now let's activate trim surface. I am going to choose standard because we want to trim half. Trim tool, top plane. Now remove selection. Here we have to choose the selection which is going to remove. Now if I am going to move our cursor, see it will show you this orange color means it is going to be select. If I am going to choose bottom one, this is going to be remove, because here we selected remove selection, natural. Say okay. Look. Now again try, we will one more time. Trim surface. This time I am going to choose mutual. In mutual you can select only surfaces, not sketch or not plane, not face. So in surfaces, let's say 1, 2, 3, clear first, again this 3. Now remove selection. Now here you can remove any things, let's say this one, see it's already show you preview, because here we already selected preview option, here written show included surface, this one and this one. Now that's all trimmed. Say yes. Look, it is not clearly visible, so let's go to our previous. That's it. Look, now again I have to choose plane, top plane, 150 millimeter upward side, sketch circle, and diameter 50, center distance 75. Still drawing is not fully defined, so what you have to choose, hold shift key, select origin point and center of circle, make constraint horizontal, extruded surface, change direction, here change angle 10 degree, but draft outward. It should be cross this main body. Say yes. Let me click plane, hide. Trim surface, mutual, and let's say standard. Trim surface. So I am going to choose this. But here we have to perform in 2 operations, so let's go for mutual. Select these 2. Now remove surfaces. First I am going to select this outer one, see outer one remove, select the center one. Look, it's removed. Here we already show, if you select this one, see it will change. If you select both, see it will show you both, what trimmed and what untrimmed. Look. Now it's time to close this end, because these all ends are closed. Now see, these ends are closed. Fillet R15, this is also R15. Then these corners, 3 corners 5, and this inside corners 10. So let me do one thing. 3D sketch, activate line tool. So we want to close, so first we have to close this path. We have to create a close face or close profile. Again activate line tool, 3D line, escape key, again press L key in your keyboard and activate line tool. Similarly I am going to escape. Now what else balance? Now here line tool, close this. Now all the things are closed. Let's activate boundary surface, because boundary surface is better option for this. In direction 1 I am going to choose this, and if I am going to choose this, it will ask you, this is a kind of path and it is open loop. So say yes. See, it is closed. We don't need to put any dimension or anything here, because this is simple. Say yes. So let's do for all. Right click and show 3D view, profile, path, say yes. Okay. Now comes to other end. boundary, okay. What else? Okay, here also balance. You have to select one by one all, say okay. Now the top one we can simply use planar surface, and I am going to choose because this is close profile, say okay. And this is one edge only, you can't apply edge and line together with the help of planar surface. That's it. Even let me hide. Now you will see surface bodies, there are many surface bodies. So you now here let's activate knit surface and select all the bodies. See, even though you can select from here also, merge entities, say okay. Now here you will see only one body. Now before applying thickness, let's apply, okay, let's apply a change appearance. First we will apply fillet, constant size fillet, and first is 5 millimeter, and I am going to choose these 3 ends, say yes. Again activate fillet, this time 10 millimeter, and this inside edges, see all selected constant size fillet, activate for the last time 15 millimeter, select this end and another end, okay. Look, now let's apply thicken tool. Now here already the body selected, clear, choose this body again. Now change what direction, see this is outside, we want inside, so thicken side 1, see 2 millimeter, say yes. Look, if I am going to choose section view, front plane, section view, yes, and look, this is how we make our simple exercise in SolidWorks with the help of surface features. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.